We pride ourselves on our natural areas. When you just stand here and listen, you can hear probably half a dozen or a dozen different species of bird. Really, I started noticing the birds a lot more during the pandemic when I would come to campus. Maybe it was because there wasn't as much custodial happening or whatever, but I would just find birds so frequently. And then I started seeking out some, people who are interested in the same topic. And that's how I got connected with Annette Prince over at Chicago Bird Collision Monitors and talked to her about how I would go about, starting to address the issue. And she suggested, well, why don't you start a small, subsect of bird collision monitors on your campus? And so that's what we did. And we just sort of started an all-volunteer group of people who want to help the birds and are interested in projects like this. So some folks that come and do this are community members. Some people do work for bird collision monitors in the city and just live locally, and some are faculty, staff, and then every semester we have students who help out too, which is great.
We are out in the downtown areas looking for birds that have hit buildings because that's an area that we survey, but we know that collisions happen everywhere. They happen here at the College of DuPage. The idea that these birds are real critical, they're important just because we enjoy them, but also because they're a crucial part of a healthy environment that we all rely on. And we want people to understand that while they're traveling through our area, we're kind of stewards for them, and we want to protect them and give them safe passages.
Bird strikes are really important to the natural areas because one of the things that we're trying to do is conserve species. So if we're conserving species and birds are hitting windows, we have mortality issues and injuries. College of DuPage has 219 species of bird found here on campus. Illinois has 459 species in total, and that's about 48% of all species found in Illinois you can find here on campus.
So when we find a bird, we take them over to DuPage Wildlife Center. If the birds can be rehabbed, they rehab them, and it's really nice actually. They send us videos of releases, but the dead birds get cataloged for migration data. The other thing we do is we take a picture and then we upload it into a Google form, which populates a Google sheet, which is where we keep all of our data for bird strikes. When we get all the data from the year, we typically get some students, biology students or natural area students, to take that data and to put it into a report.
My student workers helped with 23 and 24, collecting some of that data and putting it to meaningful ways of understanding where birds were hitting, what kind of birds were hitting, to really better understand our problems.
The biggest problem areas are the SRC stairway, the courtyard of the tech building, that's sort of like 3 sides glass, and then the lakeside pavilion at the MAC is number 3.
Identifying areas of glass where birds are going to encounter that dangerous situation of reflections or transparency helps you narrow down a space that would be the most important to protect. Doing something to either make that glass visible or putting something in front of that glass so that birds don't head towards it. If it's, you can hang banners and other hanging items that give the birds something between them and the glass.
But as part of COD's new facilities master plan, I'm hoping that we can institute something like bird-friendly design on any new buildings. Yeah, we just have such a beautiful campus. We have such a beautiful campus. There's so many beautiful natural areas, and that's why birds come here. That's why we share this space with other species. And so, we should consider them when making decisions about our buildings.